Hello everyone, welcome back to our next video of learning the Illustrator or the advanced course of Illustrator, which is started from basic. And in previous lesson we talked about pen tool. Today we're going to talk about curvature tool. Curvature tool is also like pen tool but with a slight difference. Let's come to the screen of our computer and see how it works. This is pen tool. We draw the logo. If you guys haven't seen that video, go to our previous video, watch it. It's really necessary. You need to know about pen tool. But when we talk about curvature tool, how curvature tool is used? Curvature tool and pen tool has a slight difference. In pen tool, we put the anchor point, the bezier handles at the same time. But in curvature tool, we put all the anchor points first, then we're gonna work the curves or with the curve handles. Curve handles. I have a simple Batman logo. Select your pen tool, click on all of the points you can see. Now come back to the point where we started. So all the points are selected. The first one is done. Now putting the curves, let's click on the curvature tool. Let's change its shape to or its color from fill to stroke so we can see what is happening. With curvature tool, I need to make this line curvy like this. So I need to do what? Put a point there, click and drag to the point we wanted. Put a point here and put another point here. We can move the points. So now this is your Batman logo. It's not as perfect as the first one, but you guys got the idea how the curvature tool works. In pen tool, we do what? Click and put the bezier handles or bezier points at the same time. But with curvature tool, we put the points or anchor points first, then we are going to put the curves or bezier lines. So this was how curvature tool works. I hope you guys got the idea of curvature tool, learned something from the curvature tool, and I hope you guys are gonna come up with the really interesting and creative designs with the help of curvature tool. So this was the lesson about curvature tool. I hope it was interesting and you guys learned something. I know you guys are gonna come up with really interesting shapes or creative shapes with the help of curvature tool, and share it with me so I can understand that you guys are learning, my lessons are effective, and still at the end same old lines. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so you guys get notified of our upcoming videos and the videos about the remaining tools. Thank you.